Pleasant day to the happy and smart learners. I'm Dr. Shobha Edward, Principal and Head of the Department of Corporate Secretaryship, KCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science, here to present on residential status. Residential status of a person depends on the number of days that an individual physically stays in India. The residential status of different types of persons, the individual, HUF, firm, company, AOP, body of individuals, local authority, artificial judicial person, each is determined differently. So, when it comes to the residential status of an individual, a company, AOP, BOI, HUF, there is the category of ordinarily resident, not ordinarily resident, and non resident. But for a firm, local authority, or other artificial judicial persons, the only two types for the residential status is resident and non resident. So, the residential status, the type of the residential status depends on the type of the individual, company, AOP, BOI, HUF, firm, local authority, or other artificial judicial person. Thank you. Have a happy and smart learning. Thank you.